Hi, my name is Peter Sheldon and welcome to my mixed reality video for Game Design Futures. This model tasked me to create a scene which would contain multiple objects we will be able to interact with in virtual reality. For this project I decided to create an outdoor survival kit. This kit would contain a number of tools to interact with such as a torch, sword, knife, box of matches and a compass. All these objects would be contained within a case. As you can see, all of the objects' designs were recreations of real-life objects which would be inside a survival kit. In this scene, you are able to interact and inspect each asset closely. When exploded, all of the assets are placed on the table in their separate parts in front of the box. Along with these assets placed on the table, there is a copy of each tool within the scene placed on the shelf above. Each has a label describing what the tool is. The purpose of labeling each object was to inform the user of what each tool is. The design process of these assets were all created by using reference imagery of real-life tools that you would find inside a survival kit. At the beginning of the research, I found that there was many different survival kits, however, many of them aimed towards more a military audience. Because of the project being a standard outdoor survival kit, I needed to look for kits more aimed towards civilian use. Overall, the workflow was slightly different compared to the other ones I've used in past projects. This was due to the fact of the scene was going to be in virtual reality and the project being aimed more towards functionality than optimization. This allowed me to add more detail to the geometry of the assets, but still followed the PBR workflow when it came to texturing. While texturing, I wanted to give the tools a worn surface look to show that they'd been used before, which led to adding dirt marks and scratches to the assets. The environment I designed for the project is a standard wooden shed. The reason why I chose to create this environment was on the thought being where would someone keep an outdoor survival kit. The environment I think fits well together with the scene and correctly highlights the main interactable objects. The project plan was created in an online planning site called Trello where I posted progress and final rendered images. This allowed me to keep track of all the tasks I was currently working on and to help with time management of the overall project. Overall, the project I felt turned out very well with minimal problems occurring. This was because of the weekly testing I did in virtuality to check each object and environment was to scale and functioned as planned. The explode mechanic of adding the movement of the box opening and the objects flying out and landing on the table I also felt turned out very well. However, at the start of the project I did feel that this would cause some issues such as a large time needed to be allocated to set up, but as I went through the explode blueprint system in Unreal, I found that it was easy to set up that type of movement for my objects. This was my mixed reality video for Game Design Futures. Thank you for watching.